Imagine this. You give your iPhone to someone for 1 second and they secretly try to open an app. But instead, your iPhone snitches on them out loud. Let me show you how to do this. Trust me, this is embarrassing in the best way possible. So this is perfect for those moments when someone says, "Don't worry, I won't touch anything." And 5 seconds later, they are already exploring your iPhone. We're going to create an iPhone automation that talks whenever someone opens a specific app without you doing anything. First, open the Shortcuts app. At the bottom, tap on Automation. Now tap the plus icon in the top right to start or create a personal automation. Scroll down and tap on App. Now tap Choose and select the app you want to protect. I'll use App Store as an example, but I'll show you better apps later. Make sure Is Opened is selected. Now choose Run immediately. This is important and tap Next. Now then create new shortcut. In the search bar, type Speak Text and tap on it. Now tap on text and write what you want your iPhone to say when someone opens that app. You can say something like, "Hey, why are you opening this app?" Or, "Excuse me, this is none of your business." And don't forget, you can even change the voice or speed later for extra drama. Once you're done, tap Done and that's it. Now, every time you or someone else opens that app, your iPhone will speak that message out loud. Let's see.
"Excuse me, this is none of your business."
And here is the crazy part. This works even if your iPhone is on silent. So yeah, there's no escape. If the volume is up, everyone will hear it. Perfect moments for a smirk. By the way, this works amazing on apps like Photos, Messages, Camera, App Store, Notes, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Settings. Basically, any app you don't want people snooping in. So yeah, next time someone says, "Can I quickly use your iPhone?" your phone will answer for you. If you like sneaky iPhone tricks like this, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me which app would you protect first. I'll see you in the next one.